So the other day, a couple came in and their mattress was doing this, and they came in thinking, oh, we need to buy a new mattress, and glad they came in to talk to us about our mattresses and different options. But the first question we tend to ask people is, okay, what do you have for a metal frame under or support under your bed? What type of frame do you have? With a queen size mattress, we recommend 5 legs for every queen size, 1 on each corner and then 1 in the middle. People look at you like, well, we're talking about a mattress here. Well, honestly, sometimes if you don't have that foot in the middle, if there's 2 people sleeping right in the center of the bed, that bed is gonna dip like that. And putting a frame underneath that has the 4 legs and then 1 in the middle is gonna make a huge difference. And it actually might make that mattress that seems to sag a little bit better. So even though we'd love to sell you a new mattress, sometimes that's not always the answer. And we're certainly not gonna sell you a mattress just to sell you a mattress. King size, you always have a 2-piece box spring. So for that, you would have 6 legs. So you have double support in the middle, 1 on each corner and then 2 in the middle. So make sure you know what's under your bed for support before getting a new mattress. As I said, for every queen size mattress, we recommend a 5-legged frame. Even for a full-size mattress, we recommend a 5-legged frame. Again, if you have 1 person or 2 people sleeping in the middle of that bed, it's 53 inches wide. All that weight goes right in the middle, and it's gonna make the box spring go down, the mattress go down, and you're not gonna have the support that is really gonna be what you need. The support that your mattress is on makes a big difference on how not only it feels, but how long it lasts and how comfortable you are in the long run.